Hey everyone, it's Mad Tzen here. Let's do photo manipulation by blending color images in Procreate. Let's dive into the tutorial. First, we'll need two images which I have here. I'll leave a link for how to add photos in Procreate in the comments below. Make sure to have your subject at the bottom of the layers list and have the background toggled off above like so. Make a copy of the subject by swiping left on the layer and selecting duplicate. Then drag it to the top of the list. Tap on N here for a list to show. Within this list, you can select either overlay or pin light. I'll use overlay for this example. Next, toggle on the background layer, then tap on it to select it. Make a duplicate of the background, then drag it to the top of the list and toggle it off. Next, tap on the bottom background, then go to the Adjustments tab and tap on Hue, Saturation, and Brightness. At the bottom of the screen, take saturation to 0%. Tap on the Adjustments tool to commit. Back in Layers, tap N for the gray background layer and select Hard Light from the list. Next, toggle on the top background layer, tap N and select Soft Light. Then tap on the thumbnail here and select Mask from the list. Now we need to go into the color wheel and select Pure Black with a double tap. Let's go to the brush library, and from the calligraphy category, I'll choose the monoline brush to work with. Now here comes the magic. Use the black to make parts of the image clearer, like I'm doing here with the subject. If you like, you could go a step further and decrease the opacity for the gray background. I've set mine to 52%, but don't be afraid to play around with the percentages as it will depend on the images you decide to work with. I've also toggled off the background color layer for that added photo manipulation effect. See you in the next Procreate tutorial, and thanks for watching!